Snow is falling outside the window, ice and snow. The man hides in the tent, warm and cozy, baking the fireplace and eating steak. Spend the winter in the wild. The man encountered heavy snow while hiking on this day, so he decided to be by the lake in the snow-capped mountains, build a camping base. He dropped his heavy luggage in the flat snow, then used snow boots to level the snow. Create an open and flat ground. That's when he can get your camping gear out. Lay waterproof plastic sheets on snow surfaces. Folding telescopic rods are inserted into the tent. Fixed by hook connection. He can strut the tent structure, plus small hammering, the pulling of floor nails and ropes. The tent camp became solid and firm. A man with 2.5 years of camping experience. It's really fast and stable to build. Considering that there is often rain and snow in the snow, the man added a layer of waterproof on top. Roll up the tent curtains. It is convenient to enter and exit the tent at any time. After completing the initial construction of the tent camp, the men began to assemble a row of ancestral fireplaces. Although rusty, but it is still a must for men to walk in the snow. He connects the smoke pipe to the exhaust pipe. It is convenient to expel black smoke through a long exhaust pipe, while using the bracket support below. The top is pulled with the help of ropes around. Super long flue, enough so that men can't feel the smoke when it burns. Then the man pulled the small trailer deep into the snow. Picked up some scraps of wood around. Fuel for camping in the wild. Pull back to camp after filling the basket. It's already starting to get dark. There's no light. So the man goes back into the tent and turns on the lights. Considering the thick ice on the ground didn't melt, men put waterproof plastic sheets on. Use tent door curtains to separate the interior. Create 2 bedrooms and 1 living room. To facilitate sleeping, the man pulls out the support rod. Assemble a flexible folding bed. Just lay a soft mattress. He can put on a sleeping bag, easy to lie down and sleep at any time. A man who feels a little cold. Start chopping down logs. Tiny sawdust is easier to attract. After chopping a pile of wooden blocks, the man is placed in the fireplace. Ignite with the help of a small spray gun. The fireplace is slowly starting to burn. Even the air became warm in an instant. In addition, the tightness of the tent is good. Soon the whole campsite was warm and cozy. As the temperature of the fire rises, the man is boiling in an iron pan with water above. While waiting, and he starts marinating the steaks with salt. Prepare some ingredients for dinner tonight. It was snowing outside the window. It's getting bigger. Fortunately, inside is a cozy cottage as warm as spring. He grilled the steak in an iron pan, with the delicious sizzling reaction. Also let a man's saliva from the mouth of the instant down. Served with potatoes. Such a dinner. It's also quite delicious in the wild. After eating and drinking, for safety, the man quickly returned to the bedroom. Lie down in a warm quilt and go to bed early. The next morning, he pulled back the curtain of the tent door to let in the light. He didn't expect the blizzard at this time to be much bigger than yesterday. And there was a lot of snow on top of the tent. Has collapsed the entire structure. The sense of support is also deformed. Fortunately, the man found out in time and was going to start cleaning up. Just then the sun shines on the snow. Treetops, branches, lakes, ice. Everywhere is like an oil painting. Beautiful and pure artwork. Man uses snow plow. Quickly remove the snow from the top. Restore the tent structure to its normal state. Then go back to the tent and re-enter. Use the spray gun to light the fire in the fireplace. After all, living in an environment of -10 degrees, the warm fire must not be broken. With the help of the fireplace, man adds macaroni to boil water. Add some milk in the morning and stir. Simple pasta is delicious and filling. The storm in the camp is getting bigger. Men consider safety. Go back to the tent and pack up your gear. Repack the folding bed for storage. The fireplace was also disassembled. Clean the ashes from the fireplace everywhere. Leave no trash. Then the tent structure was demolished. Clear the snow from the surface. Although the work may seem simple, it's actually not safe at all. Man puts on snow boots again. Heavy equipment on the back. Continuing to delve deeper into the snow mountain camping life.